What are mechanical keyboard quietest switches? 3 superb facts about this gaming gear work rift. One of the most important problems is the volume of key pushes. In fact, the loud clicking sound that delivers a pleasing experience is the primary reason why most of us are drawn to a mechanical keyboard. However, as you get used to it, the same clicking sound may become irritating. With that loud clicking sound, you'd start upsetting folks working around you. That is precisely what necessitates the use of silent mechanical switches. These switches do not interfere with your typing experience since they retain the mechanical clicking sensation but have a lower clicking sound. Here's a brief rundown of several quiet mechanical keyboard switches. Gateron Silent Switch. Mayshas Linear Quiet. Silent Switch Cherry MX. Helios Zeal PC. Zeal PC Zilance. G Roma. Cherry MX Speed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.